welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another synthetic wig review. Now, the wig that I'll be reviewing is from an Amazon store by the name of IMAGISM. So make sure you guys check the description box below for the link in case you are interested in purchasing this wig. But they reached out to me and asked me to review their mixed blonde synthetic wig. So I will be giving you guys all the details about this wig here. So if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys the construction of the cap, then I will give you guys some more details about the wig, and then finally I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 3 combs, 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. It also has an adjustable strap. Now, it did have a little lace right here, and this wig is a middle part, as you guys can see. So I did cut off the lace. I didn't add any powder to the part today. I just cut off the lace and adjusted the straps and put the wig on. So let's go ahead and get into a little bit more details about this wig. So again, this wig is from IMAGISM on Amazon. This is their long wavy mixed blonde middle parts synthetic curly wig, and it retails for $25.49. So very affordable. Now, the color is actually a brown mixed blonde. As you guys can see, it is brown, but then you have some blonde streaks throughout the wig, which I actually like. Now, this wig is also 26 inches. I forgot to mention that. The cap size is average size 21 to 22.5 inches, and I think that is pretty much it for this wig. Now, the wave pattern is really cute. The length is nice as well, and like I said, the color, I really do like the color, the whole brown with the blonde streaks in it. Really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around one more time. So this is how she's looking in the front. Once again, 26 inches. The side, the back, and the other side. So far I do like her. I'm probably not going to keep her. She did shed a little bit, but not too much. But like I said, I'm loving the wave pattern. The length is nice as well. I love me a 26-inch wig and all of that. She's a cutie. She is definitely a cutie. So I want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it, and I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig, as far as the color, the texture, the length, all of that. How do you like this wig on me? Would you rock this wig and all that good stuff? Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. And of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell, so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.